Hey guys, welcome to SGV's vlog, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you our dining experience at Kublai Cafe Bistro sa Silang Cavite, which will cost you around 2K plus only. So guys, here's the video! Looking for a place na makakainan? Whether it's for casual meal lang or for special occasion? With nice ambience and affordable food? Well, try this Kublai Cafe Bistro. Aside from dining, this is a perfect place para makapag-chill lang over drinks with family, friends, or loved ones. Or kung trip nyo lang kumain and get awesome pics from this well-lighted, well-arranged, and beautifully decorated place. Kaya ayan, ang taray mag-emote-emote dito. They also have these greens and water pond that add a cool vibe to the place. Napaka-spacious niya. And yung dining area nila ay combination of nipa huts that provides a secluded, private atmosphere for guests. Dahil per table ay may wall partition. O ayan, hindi ka pakikialaman na nasa kabilang table. And this is the view from the top. And meron ding table sa A-frame type na nipa huts. This is our table. And we ordered pasta, pork sisig, and kare-kare. Yung kare-kare ang nagustuhan namin. Kaya yun ang i-recommend namin na itry nyo. Lively ang dining experience nyo dito dahil meron silang talented stand-up comedians who perform regularly. And kung type nyo din kumanta, pwede kayong makijump sa kanila. After dining, dahil super busog na, meron sila ditong tiny and cute coffee corner. Kaya, saya din mag-stay over a cup of coffee and dessert. Eto pa, meron din silang pasalubong area dito. Kaya kung type nyo gumastos pa, bili din kayo ng pasalubong. This resto pala is located in Silang Cavite. Nag-waste lang kami nung pumunta kami dito. May parking area din sila, though hindi ko na nakuhanan ng video. Thank you for watching!